Understanding superheat and subcooling is key to keeping your air conditioning or refrigeration system running smooth and avoiding costly repairs. So, here's the lowdown. Superheat is the temperature of the refrigerant gas above its boiling point, while subcooling is the temperature below its condensation point. When you find the superheat or subcooling numbers off the charts, first check if the refrigerant charge is right. Add refrigerant if it's too low, or remove some if it's too high. Then, look at the airflow. Clogged filters or dirty coils can mess with those readings big time. Next up, inspect the metering device, because if it's blocked or stuck, it throws everything off. Don't forget to clear any restrictions in the system, like kinked lines or dirty strainers that make the refrigerant flow wonky. Keep tools handy like a good manifold gauge set and a thermometer to measure temps accurately. Remember, small tweaks can save you from bigger headaches down the road. And always be patient. Sometimes you gotta check things more than once to get it just right. One of the biggest mistakes folks make with superheat and subcooling is guessing on refrigerant amounts without proper measurement, which can overload or starve the system. Fix that by always using gauges and following manufacturer specs. Another common problem is ignoring airflow issues. If your air movement is off, your readings will be off too. So clean or replace filters and coils regularly. The third misstep is neglecting the metering device condition, because a dirty or malfunctioning valve can cause false superheat or subcool readings. Inspect and replace parts as needed to keep things flowing smoothly. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners trying to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff about HVAC and refrigeration systems. It also helps contractors connect with people who need their skills, making sure the work gets done right and everyone stays happy.